Lobster Malai Curry or the Chingri Malai Curry is a traditional recipe of the Bengali cuisine. It begins with washing and deveining the lobsters. Once they dry up, add salt and turmeric powder. Rub the salt and the turmeric powder on each lobster pieces gently. Lobsters are very delicate, so if you are not careful, the head will detach from the body. Once done, keep the lobsters aside and heat oil in a pan. The next step is obviously frying the lobsters. Add the lobsters one by one gently into the oil. To do this, you can use a spatula or you can directly do it by your hand. Fry each side for 45 seconds before turning them over. Do not over fry or they will end up rubbery. Next, we move to the making of the curry. In the same pan, heat oil and add cinnamon, green cardamom and clove. Next, we add a bit of sugar and let it melt. Also, add a couple of bay leaves. Once the sugar has completely melted, we add onion paste. The sugar that we had caramelized earlier will now give the beautiful color to the onion paste. At this point, we will start adding the masalas one by one while constantly stirring the mixture so it doesn't burn up. First, it was the red chili powder, then the turmeric powder. Next, a bit of ghee. Once the ghee has melted, we add in a bit of ginger paste. The base mixture of our curry is almost ready. At this point, add water and curd, followed by half a cup of coconut milk, a pinch of salt, sliced green chilies, and the remaining coconut milk. Next step is to add the lobsters. Using a spoon, cover the lobsters with the curry. Do not try to flip the lobsters or they might break. Next, just cover and cook for 5 minutes and our lobster malai curry is ready. I don't think I need to tell you that this recipe goes best with white plain rice. If you have liked the video so far, give a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes.